Good morning from the Closet Quilter. Today we are doing a short video on the channel locks for Grace Company channel locks for the Cutie frame. I have put mine on and I have made it so that the vertical is stopped and I can go horizontal because I want to do this seam all the way across. Now all I have to do is set up the quilt so that it quilts straight. So here, I'm going to check. Is it going to quilt where I want it to? Okay, so far so good. Yes, it's going to go around the seam. This is a pre-printed panel. So yeah, it's going to quilt straight. So now all I have to do is quilt, right? So I bring it back and I turn it on, which I've got it stuck. So I actually have to walk to the back because it's just, well, it's not going to work because the camera's in the way. So, tippy toes. Turning it on. Turn on my, oh, how come, there. All right. I've got my, bring up my bobbin thread here. Okay, there's my bobbin thread. Got it. Now we're gonna quilt, okay? There we go. Now I'm not doing anything but making sure it's in the right place. And it's gonna quilt where I want it to. I'm moving this on the quilt. And my red line tells me I'm almost done. So there. I am done. Easy peasy, folks. Hope you enjoyed this little video from the Closet Quilter. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the Closet Quilter.